Hello, this is Frank Caruso, producer at OCAmedia. I've spent a year with the O'Briens, the O'Brien family out on the farm, from seed to harvest. And on this day, they needed to get the field seeded because there was a storm coming and it was coming in fast. However, something broke, and when things break on the farm, you need to know what to do. And as you will see in this episode, Mark O'Brien gets things under control and gets it fixed within a few minutes, and they're on their way to seeding. Enjoy this episode of The O'Brien Farm here on OCAmedia.
Versus 200,000 for a new one.
So you're kind of wondering how these work. So there's fingers behind this plate that pick up the seed, drop it in here, and then these belts are what actually place the seed out.
There, you can see a finger right there.
Yeah.
See that finger?
So that finger picks the seed up.
Right there?
Yep.
That picks the seed up and holds it. Picks the seed up on the other side of this in a little reservoir. Brings that seed around. Then it's against this backing plate, and then it flips it into here onto this belt. And this belt lets the seed down into the ground.
Yep. So like I was saying, simple but really effective.
That's the John Deere finger pickup, and it's simple and it works. There's no vacuum, no nothing. Everything. We have to keep a reserve of parts in case like this. We have no local dealers. Mount Horeb, Janesville, or Sauk City.
We'd be down for half a day if we didn't have parts in stock.
So
We'll be down for what here? 15 minutes? Pretty minor.
Go to the parts. The corn goes down in here into a reservoir, which is right there. Then on the other side was the fingers and the belt that we put in.
At One Community Bank, we believe in three things: serving clients, supporting colleagues, and investing in our communities. One of the investments we're most proud of is our support of OCAmedia. For nearly the past decade, we have been proud to partner with OCAmedia and the important work they do for our community. Whether it's showcasing local government, highlighting the success of the school district, or just emphasizing all the amazing things that occur in our community, we've been proud to be by the side of OCAmedia. As we announce our continued support of their important work, we invite you to join us in supporting OCAmedia.